So who likes barbacoa? I'm cooking that tonight. Okay, this is my first time cooking in this thing, and let me just say it takes a little bit a while, just like if you're doing it in a slow cooking. But actually, this is actually faster. So this thing is KO. But anyway, what you want to do when you're making your barbacoa, I already did it, and I should have did the video of it, but I forgot. But anyway, what you want to do now is I don't know why this phone makes me look like a way close up. But anywho, what you want to do is put your water in, let it boil until the pinkish and it's ready to go. Then you're going to want to remove the skin on there. And if anybody don't know what barbacoa is, it is cow tongue. Yes, I said it. But what I did is I put the onions and tomatoes in there, and then I already cut it up. I cut up one, and I'm going to put it in there because I'm going to let it cook again. That way I could get all the texture and everything in it. And I'm fixing to cut up the other one if y'all want to see. Okay. And the skin is the one that I was talking about, is the skin that's on top of the tongue. My kids at first, when I started cooking this, they're all like, man, because we tried barbacoa at the store, and they were all like, man, this is so delicious, and this is like one of my favorite meals is barbacoa, and I had to figure out how to cook it, so I learned how to cook it myself. That way I can be able to cook it myself, and I love cooking barbacoa. It just takes time, but you want to remove the skin from where is it? The skin from this the tongue, and then after you remove the skin and everything off the tongue, then you chop that sucker up. Chop it up like you mad. No, I'm playing. But you just chop it up, and then you put the rest of it inside with a pot, and then make sure you get your lemon, because I do have lemon, and put a little bit of lemon juice in there, and then you let it cook again, and then it's ready to go, and you can serve tacos. So that's how you do barbacoa.